Hi, I'm David Castillo, and this is the CARCASS Mixing Ritual. In this course, I'm gonna show you how I mixed a song from the latest CARCASS album called Torn Arteries. To me, metal music is supposed to be organic and raw, but still hi-fi sounding. It's about recording great sounding tracks with a lot of character and then making them sit right in the mix. I'll walk you through every track, every plugin of my original mix, all the output gear, and also everything you need to know about the recording session with CARCASS. You can download the original multitracks and then mix the song yourself. You can even get a personal mix feedback from Kristian Kohle, and the best mixes will win awesome prizes. Click the link below and join the CARCASS Mixing Ritual, and I'll see you inside the Kult.